Hey people of YouTube, it's Joe Master 247 again. I already infoed you about the Wolf Clan. Like I said, we look on my friend Wolf Killer 903. He's the one who would be telling me who's gonna join or not. So, even if you guys telling me in the comments I'm still not gonna listen, just go on Xbox and go find Wolf Killer 903. Yeah, that's really it I really have to talk about. And plus, if you if you haven't seen my cousin's channel, Matthew, come here. This is my cousin. Check him out. It's a picture of his mom, his I don't know.
This.
Okay, I guess he's gonna show us. Yeah, he records on a tablet too, but he's recording things more.
Voy con Frances, me acaba de hablar.
I don't think you can see it, but
Una viejita la aventó con la wheelchair y la aventó hasta por allá.
I'm sorry if you can hear talking in the background.
Y que ahora salió, pero
And I'm sorry if I'm talking so low because I just woke up.
No, y necesita algo. Me voy a llevar ese pollito.
You subscribe to me?
Yeah, okay.
Say hi to our friend.
Whoa.
Son mala la gente.
Oh, okay. I know why I keep blocking the video.
Okay. This is my channel. So if you can't find Victoria Salazar, just go to
I'll put in the description. It's called My First Time on YouTube, so I'll put that in the comments below. Check that out. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to him and me. We like new recruits. And yeah, he's at it. So we're gonna be logging out now. So thank you for watching. See ya. Bye.